Hey Seattle foodies, if you're craving high quality hot pot for an affordable price, did you know that Haidilao downtown Seattle offer the unlimited Super Saver all-you-can-eat combo deals? Let me break it down to you. Combo A option at $36.99 or just get a Combo B option at $49.99 per person. And you get everything on the menu, especially this A5 Wagyu chuck roll and seafood choices. First, get your tablet to order and each of you choose a soup base and wait for this cute robot to bring all your order. Don't forget the trip to the sauce bar for unlimited access where you can customize your own sauces to dip in. You can be as creative as you want to be. Also, the unlimited beverage buffet where you can choose your drinks. I would say this is the most entertaining hot pot experience at Haidilao. You get the highest quality ingredients, stellar service, and entertainment like this noodle dance. It is a great value and you want to keep coming back for more. Let's eat together soon!